Hey guys, if you want to see how I turn this into this. Then stick around to the end of this video. And before you judge me, I intentionally left it this messy because I didn't want to take all the rubbish up to the house just before Christmas. The first thing I did was strip everything out. Right, now I've got the hard floor in. I've cleaned everything underneath, cleaned the hard floor. With the hard floor in, I've started drilling holes to secure the shelves in. We've got the holes all marked up and the rubber in. Then I've put the actual shelving bits in, and I've started putting in my, so you can see my screen wash. I've got coolant, water, brake clean, some maintenance spray here. This is acetone. So I've got my, it's all just thrown over the place a second. I haven't actually organised it. See, that's all in there. Now I've got everything in, starting to organise it as a tip still, look, see, and I'm starting to wire in the split charger and some finishing touches.